recent years we are trying to develop a good sustainable tourism product, which is not a very easy task to do. For Bohinj, I would say there are two main facts. The one is that the biodiversity of the area is very rich, especially the wild flowers. Can you imagine there is more than 1,600 of different wild species in the area. On the other hand, we are facing the challenges with the so-called soft mobility issues because of the pressure of motorized traffic into the valley. Through the TRANGRAM project, actually through the pilot of the TRANGRAM project, we try to combine these both facts. That's why we organized wildflowers botanical tours, and we connected these tours with the mobility, with the organizing shuttles, buses to the spots, to the so-called hotspots or botanical wild gardens with the public transportation. It has been a big success, I would say. That's why we are going to continue this collaboration between the biodiversity and the mobility issues. And I think we can be seen also as pioneers in this field.